going to walk you through a reggae chord progression that I actually think you should know. Now, this reggae chord progression is actually quite popular. It's very popular in popular music. It's very popular in gospel, jazz, but in reggae music it is used quite a lot. In songwriting, singer-songwriters, they use that chord progression quite a lot. So I'm going to show that to you. I think if you wanted to find out which reggae song uses it, I think Bob Marley, No Woman No Cry, uses it, and I think he used it in the key of C. But everyone uses it. It's a popular chord progression, can be used in any chord or any key. So what it is, it's in, I'm going to play in D for you, so that's D major, A major, E minor, and G major. If you want to hold the D major, I would do it like this. So that's the first string on the 5th fret, second string on the 7th fret, third string on the 7th fret. And if you want, you could go even the 4th string on the 7th fret. So that's the D. And if you want to hold the A major in an easy way, you could just do it like this. So that's the first string, 5th fret, second string, 5th fret, and third string in the 6th fret. And that will give you the A major. Now to hold the B minor, what you want to do is hold the first string in the 7th fret, second string 7th fret, and third string 7th fret. If you want to be a bit more creative, you could even hold the 4th string in the 9th fret. Alright, and then for the G major, you hold the first string in the 3rd fret, second string 3rd fret, and 3rd string in the 4th fret. Alright, so the chord progression goes. This is something that you will need to practice a lot to get it right. So hold those strings like I showed you. So my fingering is that I'm holding this down with my first finger, and I'm holding the second with my 3rd and 4th finger. So I'm doing so. And I'm holding the A shape there with my 2nd and 3rd finger, and then the B minor I'm just holding with one finger. It's my 2nd finger, and I'm holding the G major with my 2nd and 3rd finger again. Alright, so let's play that together 10 times. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, to practice it together using the backing track that I've created for this. So let's go. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, that can be a little bit boring. So what I tend to do sometimes when I'm playing on stage, I play it, but I also comp, meaning I add other inversions or other chords to the progression. So let me give you an example of that now. So all I'm doing is just basically adding the same chord in another position, and that makes it really, 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 really interesting. So I'm going to show you that now with the reggae backing track. So I want you to practice that over and over and over. For those people who are very interested and want to learn more about reggae music, I've set up membership for this channel. So I would be very happy if people chose to become a member. So we've got 2 levels of membership. The lower tier and the upper tier both get the videos earlier than normal people would. But also, those in the upper tier, there are some perks to be had. So I go further explaining some of the riffs that I do in the videos. For this particular video, the comping that I do, I will explain that in that video as well. And that's only going to be available for those who become members. I hope you become a member because you help to support this channel and allow me to make more videos. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Do come by again. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and click the notification bell and choose to become a member. Thank you very much.